today we're going to be playing some big paintball with, of course, the high. I'm just kidding. We're going to be playing with the deagle, guys. I have the high-tech sniper, as most of you guys might know. Right over here, I have it. I can deploy it. But guys, that's not the point of this video. The point is to play with the deagle, which I absolutely suck at playing with. Like, I'm so used to the high-tech sniper at this point. I should have chosen to play with, like, that one of the other guns. Why did I have to pick the deagle? It was, by the way, this is my least favorite gun in this whole game, the deagle. So I guess that's why. At least I got a long shot. Yeah, that's rare. I always get long shots on my high-tech sniper, but I don't think I ever gotten a long shot on a deagle before. Back when I used to play this game, the deagle was, I used to always use the deagle. I was like, this is the best gun ever. It's so easy to use. You can get so much kills. Well, now people are more evolved. Now you have to buy things for 2,000 Robux to beat them. Yeah, not fun. Trust me. Don't spend your Robux like me, guys. I spent them professionally. Somehow. I just wish that you can, like, jump over, but you can't. There's like a guy. I want to at least get a kill. Well, I did last time, but I want to get more than a kill. Guys, look, I literally have one kill. Where it says how many kills you need for a nuke, usually it says 99. Mine says 98. So I've only gotten one kill with this deagle. So point of it then. Oh yeah, at least now I got two. I like the deagle's okay. It's not the best. It's also not, well, it's the worst, but still. Okay, good. Guys, that we are getting. Oh shoot! That guy's playing with the default, I think. Yeah, he's playing with the default. It's free. Luckily, I didn't choose to buy that gun. Yeah. So, of course, I have the deagle because when I started off playing this game for my first time, I bought the deagle one day because I wanted to and I had enough money to, so I bought it. Probably at the time it was the best Roblox decision of my life. Now it's,
why do you have a bad gun on?
Because the challenge is to play with the deagle. Didn't you see me making the thumbnail? Oh my gosh. By the way, do you like my new thumbnails? I like them. I think they're pretty epic. Also, do you like how I'm starting doing live lately? I like that too. I like live because you don't have a timer on, but my live has been turning off and on usually. So that's why you'll see a lot of live streams going on. Like a lot. Maybe every 5 seconds. Yeah, that's because it keeps turning off for some reason. Like, I don't know what, but it keeps turning off, so yeah, keep that in mind. I want to get some kills, bro. Only let me get some kills. I need 4 kills for a sentry. And keep in mind, guys, I'm doing this all with the help of a deagle, which I'm not used to. I can, like, aim a little bit, but not as much as the high-tech sniper. That guy's dead. Ooh, Come here. I like how when you kill somebody, it says tagged by. Which really tells me that it's not like Arsenal, for example. It really shows that it actually is a paintball game. You get tagged by paintballs, you don't die or get shot. It's something crazy like that. Why am I trying to shoot it from here? We all know that's not going to work unless you have your high-tech sniper. Or any other Fortnite sniper, whatever. My best sniper is the high-tech sniper. And it's the best gun. If you guys haven't noticed, recently it's been added to be the best gun in the game, which I actually was really happy about when I found out the dark matter gun was not the best gun in the game anymore. I was like, yes, it's the high-tech sniper. I have the high-tech sniper. So I was like really amazed and happy because I now had the best gun in the game. So guys, that guy's over there. Guys, also, how was your guys' day? Mine was pretty good. I had school, first day of school. If you guys saw my, if you go to discussion on my channel, you can see that I chat a lot with you guys. And if you go to my discussion, actually, on break, I actually posted that I'll be at school, so I won't be like publishing videos at like 10 a.m. like I used to at when I was quarantining. Yeah. So now I'm at school. Like I don't go to it physically, but I have online school. So every day I have to wake up at 7 a.m. and yeah, do that. So I basically can't record all those early videos that you guys see in the morning. I might be able to record them at like 4 or 2, but I can't record them at, the time that we've been used to for months. It was my regular schedule for quarantine. I thought that I'd be posting every, 10 a.m., 6 a.m., well, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Not 6 a.m., but like 11, 12, not like 2 or 4. See, that's why I'm publishing this video a little late. Some of you guys might not see it. Some of you guys might be asleep by the time it's up. I don't know about that. That's really why. But anyways, guys, be happy that you're in school. Because without school, you wouldn't be able to learn anything. And also, online school is really fun. Especially my teacher. He's really fun. My first time having a boy teacher, by the way. I've always had a girl teacher. First time having a boy teacher, which is pretty epic. I'm trying to get one of these sentries. And it's not working. I thought that was me for a second. And I was like, what the heck, bro? Sophie has intruded your race! Just kidding, she can't even come up here, but she can shoot us. You know there was one time where I had this deagle, right? I was standing here. I went up this, and I shot, and then I went down, and I killed somebody. And I was 1 second in the air, and I just killed somebody. Today, actually, it happened. When I was planning to make this video, when I was trying to shoot the thumbnail of this video, yeah, that happened. We need to take down that sentry. Oh, well, all in a day's work, I guess. Oh, it's down already. Oh, holy flip. Oh. Okay. Bye. See you next time. Is there still a sentry over there? I'm still scared. About my life. Dang, deagles suck. First of all. No offense if you have a deagle, but I just hate them. I don't know what about them that I hate, but I hate them. They're annoying. They don't shoot that far. You can't really snipe that far with them either. I mean, I know it's not supposed to be a sniper, but also it's not as cool as the high-tech sniper. You know how the high-tech sniper changes its colors and it changes, and it has these all effects when you kill somebody. That's part of the reason why I like the high-tech sniper. Sniping, I love about the high-tech sniper. It's so easy to get long shots, regular shots, just any type of shots. The high-tech sniper will get you. And that's what I like the high-tech sniper. Those are the people who I despise guys. Also, guys, comment down below. How was your day? I think I already said that, but please comment down below. How was your day? Did you get your first? Was today your first day of school too? Like mine. How long? If it wasn't, how long have you been doing school for? I'm just really curious. So please just comment down below. Just comment down below what I just said. Whoa, bro, chill there. That guy was trying to aim at me. Doesn't he know that I'm a new player? Just kidding. I've been playing forever. Right. Oh, come on. I wanted to do the good old trickaroo. Somebody died over there. Or got tagged. What the heck, bro? That ain't nice. That was very rude. By the way, that's what Niall says when something is not even that rude. He just says. Yeah, he's in the background right now. Yeah. Rude. Guys, I'm going to try to kill these flipping people. Can I wish that in this map you could have stuck into the people's faces. That'd be fun. Instead of there being like this little stupid barrier. First of all, there's this big wall over here. And then there's that stupid barrier in case you like get over the wall, which is flipping impossible in the first place. I mean, I guess the barrier is good, like for if you get shot, like if somebody's shot exactly from all the way over there, somehow shot right over here. I guess it'll protect you. So that's pretty good. But you'll see this. Let me do it again. You'll see this, which I don't want anybody to see. Like, look at that. Do you want to see that? Is that your nightmares? Is that what you wanted all your life? Because if that is, what's wrong with you? Look. That used to be a smiley face. I promise. If somebody made a smiley face and the barrier parts, like, you know how on the side it's red over here? Yeah. You see how if and the barrier parts are not there? Are you sure you're still gonna want to even be in that base? See, first of all, it's so hard to shoot from there. To flip it all the way at the base door. We have 13 seconds, by the way, which will leave us 2 minutes for the next round. Which I have no idea which the next round is. Anyways, in a little bit, this video is going to be over, so let's just, for the past 2 minutes, let's play with the Tommy gun. To just end it off, we're playing with the Tommy gun. Okay. I don't really care what map it is, unless it's Nuketown. Why did I pick the Tommy gun? No offense, but the Tommy gun also sucks. Look at that. I would have killed that guy with the high-tech sniper. Okay, guys, I'm gonna switch over to that brown minigun I was showing you. That's I thought I wasn't supposed to go to the Tommy gun. I was actually supposed to go to this one. See, now this one, it's okay. Like, it's not the best. It's not the worst either. See? Like, I got a kill from that. This minion guy is gonna get a slap on the back.
Hey, why are you on this gun now?
Because it's the finale. So I need to switch my guns. Guys, the video's almost over, so I just want to say bye. Have a nice one, and I hope you liked watching this video, guys. And I'll see you guys next